Welcome to my SEO course. This is the introduction lecture or a guide to get the most out of this course in the best way possible. This course is all about 35 SEO factors along with 25 plus free online SEO tools to take your website to the top spot on Google search with search engine optimization. The entire course is based on a keyword research compiled from 10,000 keywords for top 30 search engine result pages or SERPs. Each and every lecture on this course are prepared and polished with loads of rare information, hands-on SEO tutorials that produces results, and examples or research data to justify the SEO factors. Now let's dive into the contents of this course. Section 1 is what you are watching now. It's just an introduction section, so let's move on to the next one. Section 2 covers 13 technical SEO factors. It not only helps your website to increase its search ranking, first of all, it's very essential to enter into the search engine result pages. In section 3, I have shown you how I got above 95 score on official Google Pagespeed insights and less than a second of page loading time. You will start this section with 5 free online PageSpeed analyzing tools and get the PageSpeed report. After taking some precautions, you will start to make the PageSpeed optimizations. Getting a page speed of less than 3 seconds is not a Herculean task, but getting a page speed less than a second, that's something incredible. Along with that mind-blowing speed, if you can get a Google page speed score of 95% and also a green tick for mobile page speed from Google, how would you feel? That's what you will attain when you finish this section. While doing this page speed optimization, if you face any troubles, don't worry. Just raise a question in our question answers board and I will help you to troubleshoot it. You are in the hands of lightning badge holding instructor, so you will get fast responses. In section 4, you will learn the 4 quick steps to get indexed by Google faster. In addition to that, you will also apply that technique to get speedy indexing by other search engines like Bing and Yandex. In section 5, you will learn and implement 12 user experience SEO factors. The SEO factors in this section are quite advanced and new to the World Wide Web. These are not quick fixes like technical SEO or PageSpeed SEO sections. You need to make sure that you follow these 12 SEO factors every day or whenever you publish a new post or a page or a product. In a nutshell, you will learn to improve your users' experience on your website by adopting various techniques to reduce the bounce rate and to increase the user's time spent on your site, thereby improving your search engine rankings and sustaining the top position forever. In section 6, you will learn 7 keyword research SEO factors and 5 free online tools to make that process easier for you. This keyword research section will be something you have never seen. Brainstorming keywords is not the right way to start because when you start to assume something in SEO, then it means you have started to fail. The keyword research strategy that's used here is my unique strategy with which you can find keywords which can rank on front page of Google without even link building. In section 7, you will learn something afresh. Will you believe if I say that any of your jealous and smart competitor can bring down the ranking of your website? Unfortunately, you should. Generally, people talk about black hat SEO, which don't work anymore after Google's penguin and panda algorithm updates. But still, there is a dark side of SEO that still works. It's called negative SEO. If your competitor does that on your website, or if you yourself unknowingly trigger it, then you risk losing all the search engine rankings you have attained so far. That's why you will learn to protect your website from negative SEO attacks in this section. So now let's start with why technical SEO factors are important in SEO in the next section. SEO.